Hi all, we are PTE for sure. We are providing complete training to successfully crack PTE exam with your desired score. We will provide you tips and tricks to get 65 and 79 in PTE. After enrolling, our course's material would be provided online. For more information, kindly contact through WhatsApp or other details mentioned in the video.
This bar chart gives information about popular mobile phone brands in Australia in 2009 and 2019. From the bar chart we can see mobile phone brands include Apple, Samsung, LG and others. In 2009, Apple is the largest, about 55%, followed by Samsung, about 20%. In 2019, Apple declines to 33%, and Samsung rises to 42%. LG and others do not change over the 10 years, which are 10% and 15%. In conclusion, Apple and Samsung are the top two brands. The following graph gives information about the world's most powerful passports. The items include countries' names, their ranks and visa-free countries' numbers. According to this graph, in the first row, the value of Japan is 193. And in the second row, the value of Singapore is 192. You can see from this graph that the third highest value is in South Korea, which is 191. You can also see from this graph that the lowest value is in Luxembourg, which is 190. In conclusion, Japan has the most powerful passport. The following graph gives information about flood in the countryside. This is a very beautiful picture, and it shows a number of things. According to this graph, at the central area, there is a large two-story house surrounded by garbage. The color of ceiling is sea blue. You can see from this graph that, at the right area, there is a flooding brook. The color of it is brown. You can see from this graph that, at the background, there are patches of trees and lawns. The color of those are green. The weather is sunny. The sky is blue and clear. In conclusion, this picture is very informative. The following graph gives information about women in the labor force. The items include percentage, years, and marital status. You can see from this graph that, in 1920, the value of married is around 10%. You can see from this graph that, in 1910, the value of not married is around 60%, which is higher. You can see from this graph that, in 1990, the value of not married is around 80%, which is the highest. You can also see from this graph that, in 1900, the value of married is around 5%, which is the lowest. In conclusion, this graph is very informative.
If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also press below bell icon. Thank you.